How to find blocked accounts on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find blocked accounts on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find privacy. Click on it, and here all you need to do is just scroll down until you find this one, blocked accounts. And as you see here you will find your blocked accounts, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.